welcome back to the video. It's wonderful to have you here again as always. Today in this video, not going to be anything special. I don't have a lot to film or a lot going on, but I figured I'd at least get this dump pipe off. I got a fair few welds on it that I got to get welded up, get it finalised while I had the welder out and going. Figured I might as well do that. Don't really know if there's anything else that I need to do on this thing at the moment. Maybe I'll try and pull this thing off, which I need to get off at some stage. So yeah, nothing too special. Not a lot going on here, just waiting for parts and trying to save up to get parts and busy making manifolds really. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, get this dump pipe off, I'll get it on the bench and I'll get it welded up. You need one with like multi-lane shit. There's 4 cores, 4 threads, you need like 4 cores or like 12 threads or something like that. Yeah. I think that's what you need for high-end CPUs, is that multi-lane shit. That well, there we have it. Now it's time to get it back onto the car. Aha. Sweet. That's about it. Gotta try and get that lead off it somehow. Alright, well, there we go. That's my piss poor attempt at a video this week. Wish I had something more exciting to film, but unfortunately I don't. So that's now completed. I'll get a V-band down on that end down there sometime during the week or next weekend, and probably make another video out of that. I need to try and get this lead to stop resting on it. I'll probably heat wrap this section of the dump pipe anyway, but I would like to try and pull that lead away from it, but that's a problem for future me. But yeah, I'm going to try and get the plate that I need so I can hook the oil drain up, and I believe I have, I think that's all 3AN. And I'll get a couple of meters of 4AN hose, a T and some stuff so I can give it oil in and out. I need to get some charge into the battery that's in the back so I can try and power up the ECU, and then I can look into giving it a quick test fire, just seeing if it's going to run somewhat. But yeah, there's still a lot to do. And yeah, I know it's taken me a long time, but funds for this thing are non-existent, so I'm just trying to do what I can as cheaply as possible. I am saving up and purchasing a lot of parts for Ethel at the moment. It is the main car of the channel, and it is also my main priority. It's the car that I enjoy the most, so it's where I want to try and spend the most of my money. Once I've finished purchasing all the parts that I need for that, it's going to get torn apart, so you'll see a lot of videos to come on that in the next 6 months or so. I reckon I should have everything sorted, and then I can start just dumping a bunch of money into this to get it finished running, driving, registered, and everything else. But yeah, for now, priority for parts is Ethel. And yeah, this year I'm just doing as much as I can cheaply, like I said. Anyway, I've got that loom there. I've probably told you guys about 6 times, and I am procrastinating on it because I hate wiring, and it's probably going to be a pain in the butt to map out the plugs so I can get a pin out. And yeah, other than that, that's it from me in this video. Again, piss poor effort for a video, but I do have a few videos filmed already that I've got to finish editing, which you guys are going to see a couple of weeks, I think. I have to double check, which will help out, because then in the background I can, well, I won't have to worry about filming a video for those weeks. and if I do, it'll just be extra content. Anyway, that's going to be it from me in this video. Thank you all for watching. Please leave your comments down below, leave a like on the video, and share one of my videos. I really appreciate it when you do. And yeah, until then, don't forget, unleash the boost, CO2 the world, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Something